What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and today just want to bring you guys a super quick video of me unboxing a Nintendo Switch. I know I'm like a little bit late to the party, and honestly speaking, it's because I didn't really care too much when the Switch originally came out, but like I know they got like some really cool games coming out this year, like Pokemon and all this stuff. I also haven't owned a Nintendo console since the Wii. I seen this deal for this Switch for like $243 on the Verge the other day, and I was like, well, probably about as cheap as you're gonna get it until the new one comes out. Even with the rumors of the new one coming out, I was like, well, for this deal, I can't really pass it up. So just wanted to make sure that I didn't, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, and let's switch to the overhead camera. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this somewhere online before, because I know I am not the first person to do it. That's okay, because we got such a good deal on it. I was like, hey, you know what? Why not? And like I said, for only 243 bucks, not even bad at all. Doesn't even look like I'm gonna need to use this knife, but I was kind of glad too, because it came with the red and the blue Joy-Cons. It didn't come with a game, but that's all right though. You know, I can buy my own dang games. Yeah, this thing is tiny though. Let's see what we got here. HDMI cable. Finally, Nintendo used HDMI. I think this is their second time, because I think the Wii U had HDMI. USB-C cable. Oh, this little thing for the Joy-Cons, I guess. The little controller. Yeah, the little Joy-Con holster thing. I don't know how much I'm ever really gonna use this, because I also bought a little thing to be able to use like my Xbox and PS4 controllers. So I think I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna see how well that works, and I'm also gonna do a full video on that as well, because it was only like 20 bucks, and if it works well, I'm gonna recommend it to you guys as well. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, this is the dock. Okay. So HDMI, USB-C, blue Joy-Con, red Joy-Con, and the Nintendo Switch itself. I know I gotta get like a screen protector and then like a USB-C extension cable. I don't want the dock to scratch up the Nintendo Switch screen, so but I think that most of the time I'm probably gonna be using it in handheld mode anyways. So but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up, buy a game or two, see how that little controller adapter works, to see if I don't really need to buy, you know, 5 or 10 Switch controllers for people to come over and try out. This is just what the little adapter looks like. We'll see how well everything works. But if you guys enjoyed this brief video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you guys are new, because I'm probably gonna buy a new set of Joy-Cons as well and change out some of the Joy-Con shells just to try some new stuff. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.